guys only work on exotic cars and high-end builds?
At Speedfreaks, it's never just about the car. It's about doing it right. We love what we do. Yes, we love precision. We chase perfection, but we don't chase price tags. We build for potential. We build with passion. Whether it's a daily driver, a project car, or something with little rust and lot of soul. If you care about the sound, if you respect the craft, you're exactly who we are here for. It's not about luxury, it's about the energy. It's about that feeling when music takes over your cabin and everything else fades away. Speedfreaks is where car audio becomes an art, not because of what you drive, because how much you love driving it. Every car has potential to deliver more, and we bring it to life. Talk to us to transform your car. So if you're passionate about car audio, clean installs, real transformations, hit subscribe because we are just getting started. Welcome back to Speedfreaks.